Intrasensors is a Belgian technology-based startup founded in 2020 to develop and create intelligent sensors and solutions that help people around the globe live in a safe and smart environment. We bring together over 15 years of research conducted through academic projects and give it a commercial personality. Our team consists of AI and machine learning experts with a track record of developing innovative solutions to complex problems. Are you looking for a cutting-edge solution to streamline your pharmaceutical inventory management system? Look no further. Our innovative AI-based approach will revolutionize the way you manage your inventory. Say goodbye to concerns about accuracy, time management, and package health. Our solution has been specifically designed to address these challenges head-on, providing you with a seamless and efficient inventory management experience. With our AI-powered solution, you'll enjoy greater control, improved efficiency, and enhanced accuracy, all while minimizing the time and effort required to manage your inventory. Embrace the future of medicine package verification with our AI-powered solution. Experience increased efficiency, accuracy, and peace of mind as you streamline your workflow and enhance quality control. Our deep learning-based system processes the image efficiently and accurately, extracting the data from each package's data matrix code. In case of any occlusion, the system sends real-time alerts, ensuring improved quality control. Supervisors receive instant notifications about the occluded boxes, allowing for timely intervention. Our innovative solution leverages real-time optical character recognition models to swiftly extract information from each box. The entire process is completed in just a quarter of a second, resulting in fast, reliable, and secure information extraction. Our AI-powered solution is designed to work on a wide range of hardware, from basic computer systems to on-edge devices such as the NVIDIA Jetson series. This ensures seamless integration with your existing infrastructure. Our AI-based solution is powered by real-world data, as we have trained our system using a vast dataset of pharmaceutical images received from COFARES. This ensures that our system is trained on real-world scenarios and can handle a wide range of packages accurately and efficiently. With our robust training, you can trust our solution to provide you with the best possible results for your pharmaceutical inventory management needs. This structured database could be used to develop valuable business intelligence dashboards, such as comparing the performance indicators of lines and customer behavior analysis based on their orders. With these powerful tools, you can make data-driven decisions and optimize your inventory management processes for greater efficiency and profitability in the future.